Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to save specific pages as PDF from InDesign. I have here 10 pages. I want to save page number 1, 3 and 6 as a PDF. So how to do it? So for this, go to File, click Export, click Save. Now select the pages to range and give your specific page number. I want to save page number 1 and page number 3 and page number 6 and everything. Keep save and export. Let's see our PDF. Yes, here are 3 pages, you see 1, 2 and 3, red, blue and yellow. I save red, blue and yellow. That's it. Thank you.